MAVS, welcome back to our second installment of Remote Learning MavTV. My name is Madison Cree, and I'm here to bring you news from our homes to your home. This episode of MavTV is all about things that you can do and ways to stay motivated during this time of social isolation. In case you're looking for some awesome new recipes to create, Reagan is here to show you how she makes her world-famous chocolate chip cookies. As of Monday, April 20th, which was the day that this newscast was released, there are only 11 more school days. Now I know with remote learning, it can be kind of hard to stay focused, so here are some tips to keep you motivated and to finish out the school year strong. If you are anything like me, then you are probably very quickly losing all motivation for all things school related and are quickly succumbing to the inevitable procrastination and distraction? That's not a word. Well, I'm here to give you some tips on how to stay focused during remote learning. Tip number 1, have a clean workspace. If your desk or room is messy and cluttered, it can add to the stress you may already be feeling because everything is literally piled up around you. Tip number 2, set goals for yourself. Decide what assignments you want to work on today and about what time you want to get them done by. Make a schedule and stick to it. Tip number 3, take breaks. Nothing will kill your motivation quite like doing homework for hours at a time with no break. Set aside some time for a break, decide how long you want to work in between them, and stick to it. Tip number 4, talk to your teachers. If you're having issues with completing your work or understanding the material, talk to your teachers about it. They will be more than happy to help you out. Tip number 5, try to stay on top of your homework. If you leave all your homework for the last minute, it will just cause more stress and you could start to feel overwhelmed. Do yourself a favor by trying to stay on top of all your assignments. Alright Mavs, hope those tips helped, and just remember, this is all temporary, so finish this year out strong. I know you can do it. Okay Mavs, hope you all have a great week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching.